Greetings. This lesson will discuss how to write topic sentences. Topic sentences are sentences that concisely state the main argument that you'll discuss in the current paragraph. And they are almost always the first sentence of that paragraph. Do you remember the case strategy from the overview? Today we'll talk about the first half. Concise arguments. So, what do we mean by concise arguments? Well, concise arguments are short, straightforward, and clear. A long complicated sentence can make your paragraph hard to understand. Thus, topic sentences are often less than one line. But this is just a rule of thumb. Sometimes a sentence needs to be longer to express your ideas. In those cases, completeness and clarity are more important than writing a short topic sentence. Expressing a concise argument is not always easy, but I have some strategies to share. First, an argument is a claim that can be debated, either supported or refuted, based on evidence and facts. Personal opinions are not strong arguments because they cannot be debated. Next, I'll talk about 4 kinds of arguments: evaluation and comparison claims, and then cause and effect and prediction claims. Some arguments are evaluation or comparison claims. These are arguments about the value or worth of different things. For example, you might argue that reading books is often more educational than watching television. The key phrase is, more educational than. That phrase makes this a comparison. Another example could be, lifting weights is a less healthy form of exercise than yoga. The key words here are less healthy and than. Again, this is a comparison argument. Other arguments make claims about causes and effects, or predictions. These statements argue about how one event causes another event to occur, or not. As an example, frequent reading leads to the development of stronger writing skills. The key phrase here is, leads to, which indicates a cause and effect relationship. Here's another example. As a result of doing yoga, a person will become physically and mentally healthier. The key words here are, as a result, and will become. This statement makes a prediction about what will happen if you practice yoga. Okay. Remember that I said, an argument is a claim that can be debated, either supported or refuted, based on evidence and facts. Well, there are several problems that writers have with weak arguments. The first are statements of opinion. The second are statements of examples. Personal opinion statements say what you think or feel. These statements are hard to debate because they're personal and subjective. Consider this sentence. I think that television is a very effective way to educate children. The phrase, I think, makes this a personal statement. But there is an easy solution. Remove the personal part, and then add a phrase that links this to a clear reason for your opinion. The second part of the revised topic sentence now has a cause and effect argument. Example statements are another problem. These statements do not make a concise argument. Instead, they just share an example, which is actually a form of evidence. Check out this sentence. One type of potentially unhealthy or dangerous exercise is weightlifting. The phrase, one type, shows that the statement is an example. The solution here is pretty simple. Rewrite the sentence as an argument. This revised topic sentence makes a prediction about the dangers of weightlifting. To conclude this lesson, remember, topic sentences must be short and straightforward. And they must state a concise argument, which can be debated using evidence. Remember to argue about evaluations, causes, comparisons, and predictions. But avoid personal opinions or examples. And don't forget that every topic sentence should relate to your thesis. And lastly, remember to always make a case for your ideas. When you are ready to go to the checkpoint, close this window.